Hello everyone, welcome to Job Skill Share. This is going to be our normal YouTube channel video. This video is about the new Windows 10 technical preview that just came out, and we wanted to just see how it's going to work. And this is my first time about Windows 10. I have no idea what is it like, how does it look and all that. So I'm going to be kind of just as a new user trying it for the first time. I do have Windows 8 installed on this machine. This is a 64-bit machine with 4 GB RAM, so that is quite a good requirement for this and for this laptop. And this video is going to be without CD or DVD. I will show you that too, how to do that, and let's hope that works. So like I said, this is a very raw type video that I'm making it from cell phone, so you might see some shaking and stuff like that, so forgive me for that. So the first thing you need to do on your machine to be able to install it without CD and DVD, you need to get a virtual clone drive. It's a free software that turns the ISO into a real CD and DVD ROM. So what you need to do is first go to Google and type virtual clone drive, and then click on this first link, SLY soft virtual clone drive. Click on that. And then all you gotta do is to come and let's see where it is. Go to the download section and then scroll down and download the freeware which just says virtual clone drive and run it. Finish the installation. I already did that. Once you finish the installation, you will see something like this on your desktop, or you can go to the start menu and then click on virtual clone drive. So what I wanted to do is I'm going to first show you guys how to get the Windows 10 preview. First thing you need to do is to go to Google and type Windows 10 technical preview. So I'm going to go back and see what I did. Okay, so here's the result. I did it wrong, so I'm just going to click on this, type Microsoft 10 preview, and the first link right here, download Windows Technical Preview. Click on that, and once you click on that, it will you'll basically have to kind of scroll down and click on sign in for Windows 10, because you need to have a Microsoft account already. I already put my username and password, so I'm already signed into my account. So you need a either live account, Hotmail account, or Outlook account. All of them should work, and you should get to this screen. Once you get to this screen, it will give you a key from Microsoft, and then on the bottom you have to install what system do you want. So this laptop is 64-bit. I downloaded a 64-bit English, or if it's 32, then you will do 32-bit. And then what you want to do is to copy this key and see if it's going to work. Let me get that. I'm using a pad and it's really hard to do this, but alright, so I got this. I'm going to open my notepad and then save this. Okay, saved it on my notepad, and alright, I'm going to minimize this. So I already downloaded the ISO on my desktop to save some time. All you gotta do is once you install that software, you have to right click on this and then do this, open with the virtual clone drive. Okay, so once you do that, it will mount the CD, and you will see just exactly the same way you plug in CD or DVD. You should see the same thing in here. So if you go here, go to computer, and there you can see on the right side it's the same way, like it looks like a real CD. It's just somebody plugged in the CD. There's nothing in my CD-ROM right now. So all you gotta do is right click on it, and then if there's a start, you can do that. You can just click open right here and click on the double click on the setup. So then click on yes. And you will see this preparing. Let's see and wait what happens. So like I said, this is my first time trying this on a Windows 8 machine, 64-bit. So I have no idea what's gonna happen, but let's give it a try. Make sure this is your test machine. Don't do that on your real machine. If something was to happen and you have to lose your work, in this video I'm just saying that I'm not gonna be responsible for that. So make sure this is, before you agree to this agreement, make sure that this is your testing machine and you just want to do this for testing purposes. Okay, I will click accept, and then I'm gonna say accept, and let's see what happens next. Alright, so you'll get this message. You won't be able to use this PC while Windows installs. Save and close your files before you begin. So if you have anything open, something very important, make sure you close it. I don't have anything, so I'm going to click on install. Alright, so this is the screen installing Windows Technical Preview, and we'll just have to wait. I'm going to pause my video and I'll come back when it's about 90%. Alright, so it looks like the installation is finished. You'll get this message, your PC will restart in a few moments. So we'll just wait for that. Alright, so this is the first boot to Windows 10, so let's see how it looks. So this is the first screen, just like I think Windows 8 has the same one. I'm not sure if this is actually loading to Windows 10 right now or is just trying to set it up, but we'll find out in a second. As you guys can see, it is setting it up right now, and there's a percentage going on. And you guys can see me too in the background. You guys can see my hand. Hello. Alright, the setup is done. And I think it's going to restart again, and let's see what happens now. Okay, it's getting it ready. Just as something to keep in mind, that this process takes a little time for the setup, and when it comes back up, it was taking a little time to come to this point. So don't shut your computer down or anything. Make sure you let it run. I think Microsoft will work on this because there's a lot of setup going on, a lot of getting ready, wait time. So I'm pretty sure this is just there in the beginning. They will cut this down, this whole timing, but let's see what happens. Alright, another settings, PC settings now. Yeah, it takes a lot of time, so just keep that in mind. Alright, after PC settings it will restart again, so let's see what happens now. Alright, so there's another setup going on. Set up a few more things. Okay, We're gonna wait for that one now. Alright, so once that's done, you can just click on this use express setting, or you can use customize. To save time, I want to just check it out. I'm just gonna say use express settings, and then confirm your local account password. So one thing that it happens, that it keeps your local accounts if you install on top of the old Windows, which is Windows 8. So it looks like it kept everything. Maybe there might be other options that you need to go to advanced settings, and just like we do it in Windows 8 and 7, you remove everything and install the fresh one. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna put my old password and see if it retains everything. And that looks like it's trying to get in. It's not related to your account, trouble to, okay. So what we're gonna do is you can say use existing account. For now, can continue to use existing account. Okay. I guess what we need to do is we need to log in and check the Wi-Fi and put the code again. So let's see what happens. This is my first time logging into Windows 10 technical preview, and it just looks like Windows 8 so far. The setup. Definitely the setup was something that I wasn't expecting to take that long. Maybe they're working on it. They will definitely fix that. It can't be that many steps before you and get to Windows. So let's hope that's the case, and they will make it a little bit faster and different process. Alright, as you can see, it kept everything on Windows 8. My profile, I see my icons, my applications, and on the right side you can see it says Windows Technical Preview right here. Definitely it took off my Wi-Fi, so turn on, turn off. I guess we can take a look into that. Also, let's check what's different in here. So it looks like it's kind of the same way. It's going to the desktop place right here, and they took the start button right here. So if you click on that, it will take you to the Metro style. And so I'm going to go back, right click on it. It removed my classic shell, which I had over here. This icon, the icons are a little bit changed. Let me move my, so you guys can see it's a little bit changed. So the PC icon is a little bit different. I'm going to double click on that and see. So this basically looks the same as Windows 8. It's almost, it looks like it's Windows 8, just made a little bit changes in here. I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and right click on this and go to properties and say, let's see what is the here. It says Windows is not activated. Yeah, definitely, because I have to put my key in there. But I just want to show you guys that when you do it directly from the ISO, which I did, I'm not sure how it's going to be. Maybe it will be different when you do it directly from a CD, because then it's going to ask you for a computer name and some other setup, a little bit different setup. But it kept all that, and it kept my username and password too. Here they added this search right here, so you guys can click here and then search from here, and I'm sure it will. You can find things from here. So if I want to do like a firewall, it's something I really missed in Windows 8, and that's why I got the classic shell, because I really wanted that. Every time I would go help some users out, I'll always go to the search option and then type in here. Now what I want to do is I'm going to restart this just to make sure that things works. The graphics are a little bit off, so let's see what happens when I restart this machine, and let's see the first screen then. So this is the first restart, and I'm not going to pause the video. I just want to see how long does it take for a laptop with 64-bit system and also 4 gigs of RAM. How fast it is to just get to the normal screen. Usually it takes about 30 to 40 seconds. Oh, it was less than that. But let's see how this screen is going to take some time. It's almost like 7, 9, so far 9, 8 seconds. And still counting. So it looks like it's about the same time when you turn on Windows 7 or Windows 8. Alright, same look, Windows 8, so, and still have the same username in there. Now, I'm not sure if I do this from a CD directly. Let me see. I'm not sure if I do this from a CD and like wipe off everything from this machine, if that's going to make any difference. I was expecting a little bit different, but this is maybe that's how it is. It gives you a welcome screen here. Let's check out applications. Let's see if the application is working. So we got Firefox. I'm going to open that and see what happens. So Firefox open up, no problem. Let's check the. Actually, I want to go back. I thought this was changed in Windows 10, but I guess I gotta play around with it a little bit to find out a little bit more. I'm going to right click on this, and then I'm going to go to control panel. Want to see if that's changed. Looks like the same. Windows 7, Windows 8 look. Right click on this, go to the device manager. Yeah, so it kept other drivers. What I wanted to see is the Wi-Fi link one. I'm going to turn my Wi-Fi on, see if that works. So when you guys see this off, it could be your computer, so turn it on the computer. So let's turn it on. There you go. And let's see if it kept my passcode. Yeah, it did. So what I want to do is to check internet. I'm going to IE. I want to check IE. What version does it come with, or does it keep the old one? So let's see. Okay. About, and that's IE 11, which is the latest one. And what I wanted to check was the graphics. Let's see how that works. Close the tab, right click, go to screen resolution. First one, check that 102476. Okay, and personalize. Yeah, so you can change the graphics to different ones. If you guys want to do that. I'll keep this one for now. What I really want is, I don't like to right click and then search things over here. I really like the Windows 7 method of, you know, when you click on the start menu and then you can search things. Now it's changing the graphics, so right now you see the real graphics, which is basically should be. This is why it was a little bigger. So let me fix this a little bit so you guys can see this. Alright, so we checked one application that was working. Also, let's go ahead and do the classic. So you might not need the classic shell if this option is working, and this is the one that Microsoft is really kind of showing off people, that you know, the little tabs, the trending tabs that they came to the search over here. So you guys can search directly from here what's trending. So you can click on that, and you'll see that it will open up. It should be like kind of web browser kind of look. Yeah, so it's a Bing browser, they're using Bing, and also it will open up that search. And so it's like, you know, you're searching on a local computer, whatever you want to search here, but you also can do this from here, what's trending. And if let's do a search locally here, what I want to get is, I want to get to my firewall. I want to see what option does it give. So here you go. So if when you do, this is a really good option that Microsoft is going to be putting out there, because I really like this. Now it is for a user. I'm not sure how good it's going to be, but for technicians or IT support guys, this is a main feature. You know, we log in and we go to the control panel. We go to different. Sometimes you have to go to like 5 clicks to go to control panel, and then something else. And in Windows 8, it was really hard because you got to come all the way down here and, you know, do that little mouse thingy, and then, or maybe right click on this, then go to search. I needed something quick, so this would definitely help. This is a good change that Microsoft is going to be applying in there. Other thing to check is, like I said, it kept the account, so it's a good thing. If you are testing it on a testing machine, but you still like the testing machine, you want to keep everything, the softwares and everything, so you guys can see everything. I just did it in front of you guys, and it kept everything. Let's just check the CC Cleaner. It's just a normal application, and it does work, and it does prompt for different things, so that's good. It's a good test right here. I didn't see anything like breaking in or errors coming up, something like that. So very good. And even the Explorer thing, it seems a little bit faster to me. I'm not very like, I'm not making it that Microsoft is coolest right here, because I didn't really like the start was really bad. Like, I thought maybe it's gonna take me so much time, but this thing I really like. This is something that I liked about Windows 8 too. When you double click on the Explorer, comes up pretty quick. And this is a little issue with Windows 7 and Windows 64-bit and Windows 7. When you click on these Explorers, they really take time, a little bit time in there. So if you have a lot of things open, it slows the system down. So that's a good thing. What other thing that I want to check is, let's see if we can do that little mouse hover thing that Windows 8, it looks like they took that off. That it's not working, or maybe I don't know how to do it now, but it's not, it seems to be not working right now. Let's go ahead and do, so if you can do open updates from here, the updates are kind of the same way. So it looks like every single thing, other things are the same. You guys have to kind of look into a little bit details. I'm not doing a video on the features, or I just wanted to do a video of installation, and since I was doing it on my computer, I was like, let me take a video of it if someone wants to look at the process before they try it. So it does keep everything. We will do another video that will cover all the features. I need to go over this technical preview. I might probably wait for a better preview, like, maybe at the ending where they're planning to push it out to a real world. So then I'm going to do like a go over video on Windows 10, but not right now, not on this one, because they just came out. There are going to be so much changes going on. So this is how it looks. Nothing different than in Windows 8. There's a little pieces right here, which I really like. So hopefully you guys, this video helps somebody. This is a time-saving video for someone who wants to try it out. Maybe after this you might not like it and not try it, or maybe you'll like it and you'll try it. So tell me what you think. Alright, thank you so much. Job Skills Share. See you guys in the next video.